Today, I'm going to show you a coastal new construction model right here in Jensen Beach, where you're just 10 minutes away from the ocean, close to both of our downtowns, and right off US 1 for all of your retail, restaurants, and entertainment. And if you're looking to buy your very own home over here, my name is Raphael, and I'm an independent realtor that's local and in the know with all of the builders, neighborhoods, and condo buildings in Jensen Beach, and I can personally help and work with you throughout the process to find the right home. So this model we're going to see today is one of their end unit homes called the East Wind, and it is built as a 3-bedroom plus a loft, 2.5 bathroom, 2-car garage home with concrete block on both the first and second story and hurricane impact windows for a low maintenance, stress-free, easy to insure home. Coming in at over 2,000 square feet under air, they've made good use of the space with an open concept kitchen, dining room, and living room downstairs, and each of the bedrooms are upstairs. The ceilings are higher at 9.4 on both floors, and every model that they build has 42-inch cabinets in either granite or quartz in different finishes. The master bedroom is huge for a home of this size with a deep walk-in closet, and there is plenty of extra storage space on this home, and there's even a covered lanai out back. And because these homes are brand new, they have a contemporary design, are low maintenance, close to the beach, and in a gated community that takes care of the grounds for a low monthly fee around $200. I've noticed a lot of the clients that have decided to move forward buying one of their homes here in Jensen Beach are also considering condos on Hutchinson Island. And while a beachfront condo comes with breathtaking views of the ocean, these are older buildings built in the 70s and 80s that need updating, are in hurricane evacuation zones, and can have 5-figure special assessments to address structural problems and repairs for these older buildings. And they commonly have maintenance fees around $1,000 a month for smaller 2-bedroom units. So whether you're looking for a seasonal home or downsizing from down south or the northeast and are looking for a full-time residence, a new construction home like this is worth considering. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes or condos, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I am an independent broker and can help you weigh out all of your options and work with you whether you're looking to buy or sell a home anywhere here on the Treasure Coast. So if you're interested in this home or think something similar to this would be a good fit for what you're looking for, whether you're downsizing to something that's low maintenance or looking for a seasonal home to get away from the cold winters up north, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.